Lots of overseas buyers visit our factory every year. 2000 SQM Sleep Test Center. Test mattress and choose fabric on site. 4 auto production line. Strict quality control and reliable material. Long-term cooperation after factory inspection. 16 years old, export factory. We don't cut corners. We only do long-term business. Custom and standard mattress, both available. Compressed mattresses have great logistics benefits, letting our clients make more profit reliably. PM for full factory visiting video.